morning. This morning I wanted to share with you this natural fence that I built that for some reason is keeping my dogs out, even though it's like, you know, a foot high. The dogs understand and they're not coming in right now. So I think it's a success, and it didn't cost me a dime. And so one of my big things is do what you can with what you have. So I'm going to show you real quick how I did it and give you a tour of what it looks like. Let's go. So in previous videos you saw me stacking up sticks and rotting logs, and I did the same thing all the way around. And so now I have a nice little border. So let's just look at how it looks. So some of it has some logs and some of it's just cardboard with some leaves piled on top, and then a pile of some dirt on top. And I'm actually using the dirt that I'm digging up to level out my pool. So it doesn't matter to me what quality the dirt is. Here's where I haven't finished yet. I've got sticks, leaves, and then there's going to be dirt on top. And then I'm actually putting a border of pine straw around the outside. Keep the grass at bay. So this is just the part I have to finish right through here. Just pour some leaves and then pour some dirt on top. And on some of it I have some flowers growing. There's my beans. Green beans and lima beans. And also, stop and check this out. Those, my friends, are my first ever snow peas. I'm pretty excited about those. There's 3 of them. I'm trying to get this to grab onto this, but it is not. So I've got some flowers coming up. Threw down some marigolds all through here, so hopefully we'll have a nice border of marigolds all around. And when you get over here, this is kind of the entrance. I'm gonna make it a little smaller. Thinking about making some kind of arch trellis right there. That's it. So that's really my message to you today, is do what you can with what you have. And you don't need money to have a garden. You just need a little elbow grease and a little time, a little patience, and I promise you it's worth it. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.